Hi, my name is Arman Akbar Khan and I work for the UN, WFP to be exact. I'm seconded to the Ministry of Agriculture in Ethiopia. So my journey basically started with an increase in my depression this year. I have been struggling with depression on and off for about 25 years. I've been on medication, I've been on therapy. So earlier this year, I went back to see a therapist and I got back on medications. And my therapist suggested that I go and see Farah. And then I decided to attend the workshop. And the workshop has completely changed my life. I came back and went back to see my therapist and she cleared me off. So I'm no longer on antidepressants or anti-anxiety meds. There's no anxiety attacks. There's no sleeping pills needed to go to sleep, to turn off my head. It has been a life-changing experience. And just doing the sessions with Farah has been so amazing that I got all my friends to sign up for the workshop. I even had a friend traveling from Bangladesh to attend the workshop. That's how much I loved it. And that's how much I love it. I have been investing in myself almost all of my professional life, I would say, which is about 22 years now. And I would say this has been the best investment I could have made. I mean, professionally, personally, it has been incredible. I manage a team of 40 people and some of them can be quite difficult, honestly. And ever since we finished the workshop, it's literally like I wake up in the morning and I go like, okay, what's the daily miracle I want today? And if I have a report coming in, I'm like, you know what? I want all the reports on time. And then I'll go and even to my difficult teammates, I'll be like, Habibi, show me some love. Just give me the report on time, you know? And it has totally changed the way I interact with them and the way they respond to me. So it has been incredible. Like, I'm happy, sparkling, my friends, they've, what's the way they put it? I sparkle and I shine from top to bottom. Au natural. And it has been just mind-blowing, phenomenal. The things that we have learned, the way we use it in our daily lives. Daily miracles. Literally daily miracles. It's like every day is a new day and anything is possible. It's been incredible. And such an honor to do this workshop with Farah.